Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is ComMarker. Today we are going to make a deer for our Christmas tree. Now, let's start. Today we are using the light burn. First, we are going to put the deer in the working field. We divided the deer into 3 parts: the cutting part, the filling part, and the graving part. The parameters we give to the cutting parts are as follows: at 50 mm per second, 100% max power, and run around 13 counts. The parameters we give to the filling part are as follows: at 1000 mm per second, 45% max power, and only 1 count. The parameters we give to the engraving part are as follows: at 50 mm per second, 100% max power, and 2 counts. Now we are adjusting its size.
They don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you.
Now it's time to let it burn.
No, 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 no.
It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you.
No, 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 it don't feel right without you.